Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome back to our online classes. The day today is Tuesday, 12th January 2021. This is your English grammar lecture and I am your English teacher Anam. So today we are going to learn about the noises of creature. The noises of creature means the sounds that different creatures make. You are already well aware of these, but still we are going to discuss it in our video. So let's start. And obviously, sorry, I forgot to tell you, it is on page number 77 of Junior English. So let's start our video for today. So what is the sound of dog called? Dog barks. What does a dog do? The sound of dog called bark. Cat meow. Cat meow. Elephant trumpets. Elephant trumpets. Horse, you can see in the picture, it neighs. What is the sound of horse called? Neigh. Donkey, bray. Donkey brays. The next one, cow. Moose. Cow. Moose. Sheep. Bleats. The sound of sheep called bleats. Hen. Clucks. Hen clucks. Lion. You know about the sound of lion very well. Roars. Okay, what is the next one? It's a goat. And what does a goat do? Bleats. Monkey. What is the sound of monkey called? Chatter. Monkey chatters. Frog crooks. Frog crooks. Fox howl. What is the sound of fox called? Howl. So these are some examples of animals and their noises. Now we will solve Junior English exercise number 1. So first of all, you're going to write classwork and after that date, which is 12, 1 and 21. Here are few animals and we have to write the names of their noises. Elephant, parrot, rabbit, monkey, turkey and frog. You will write its names. We will solve exercise B and after that you will solve exercise number C. So write the missing words. Horses, neigh. We have already learned in our video. Monkey, chatter. Oxen, low. I don't have sufficient space here, that's why I write here. Hyenas, they laugh. Bears, growl. Hounds, bay. Apes, gibber. Sparrow, chirp. Bulls, bellow. Gobble, turkeys. So beta, this was our exercise B. You can also take help from the list given on the left side of the page. As you can see in the picture, here is a list of the animals and their sounds. To solve further, you can take help from this as well. So this is page number 77 of Junior English. Solve this page and send images of your work as well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.